Brian Little.
Japan.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is London Tay coming to you today with another video, girl. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I do this 2 double heart style, okay? So we're going to start off with the products that is needed. The Shine and Jam in the orange container, the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers mousse, the Edge Booster edge control, and the Got To Be glue spray, okay? And we're gonna go ahead and tell you guys exactly what hair that I'm using as well. I am using the Queen Bee pre-stretch braiding hair. I am using a color number 1B 27 and then the regular 27, the 2 packs of the 27 and the 3 packs of the 1B 27, okay? So yeah guys, so like I said, I'm doing the double heart freestyle cornrows. This is what they really call them, like the designer braids or freestyle cornrows. I'm just going to do 2 hearts on the side coming down to her sides, and then I'm also going to do a double cross double cross feed-ins at the top, okay? And all of this is going to feed into a color number 27, which is like a honey blonde color, okay? So we just kind of came up with it. We've seen the hearts trending in the designer feed-in cornrow style, so, and also the crosses. So we just decided to do 1 cross in the middle and also do 2 double hearts instead of just 1 on the side, okay? So here I am just defining the parts, guys. I'm making a heart. I'm going to make sure it goes above her eyebrow, kind of more towards the forehead. I want the heart to be pretty visible, but I don't want it to surpass her ear, so I'm just going to go ahead and part it like that. And then I'm just going to define the parts with the Shine and Jam, okay? So let me just go ahead and tell you guys that Shine and Jam, the orange, is the best Shine and Jam I've used. It's better than the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers. It's better than their yellow, and it's better than, what's the other colors, guys? Because the purple, it's better than all those colors. It has a more of an edge control hole, if that makes any sense, okay? So yeah, and then the edge booster is what I use for the edges. So any, like that braid right there, I'm going to define it with the Shine and Jam. However, the edge part of the braid where her edges is, I'm going to put edge control on there even though I'm not doing her edges yet. I'm going to put edge control on the edge whenever I am braiding on that edge. On all fronts of her edges, I'm going to use that edge control, okay? You're not going to want to put Shine and Jam on those edges and then try to like define the parts with the edge control because it's too much product and then it gets really greasy, okay? So like I said, here I am. I'm just really defining the parts on this heart. And I'm going to do the other side the same way. But I'm going to go ahead and do that part. So for the hearts, you're just going to make a heart shape and then you're going to part that heart in the middle. And then you're going to part like parts that's going up like a diagonal, and then you're going to follow that part. So you're going to start off with the middle braid, make it of course like a little stitch, and you're just going to follow that upward diagonal part until you get to the edge, and then you're going to curve it around towards the ear part. So that creates one side of the heart, okay? And then I'm going to do the other side the exact same way of the hearts, and then I'm going to connect them, both of those 2 pieces together above the ear so it can form into one piece, okay?
Brian Little.
Japan.
Okay, y'all, so now that I am done with that and combining everything together, those braids that the heart basically took up that space, I'm just going to go ahead and do 2 or 3 feed-in braids along behind the heart into the back of the head, until I run out of space, until I'm able to make a full cornrow from the front of the head all the way to the back. So like I said, I'm just going to go ahead and just do a stitch. It's easier just to make one long stitch with the comb and add a little bit of braiding hair. I always judge how much braiding hair to add, just depends on how thick their hair is at that time. So her hair is thicker in the middle and thinner on the sides, so I tend to put in more braiding hair, okay, in that part. So like I said, guys, I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So I'm starting the braids off with the 1B27 color, and then when I start getting more towards the bottom, then I'm going to start feeding in the regular color number 27, so that way I'm able to tuck better, and that way I don't just keep adding the black roots. And when I'm done with the black roots, you're going to want to make sure everything feeds into a one solid color. You don't want all those mixed colors throughout the braid while you're adding that 1B27. You get what I'm saying? So adding that color number 27 allows the ends to be more just blonde. Yeah, so it's very, very simple, guys. I'm going to do 2 cornrows all the way to the back, and then I'm literally going to just start with the front after that and just do those cornrows. Now in the middle, the 2 braids, you guys going to see me basically crisscross 2 braids together just to give a little bit of design in the middle, and then I'm just going to keep on, and then once I finish those 2 designs, I'll go ahead and do the other side into a heart, and then braid those feed-in braids behind the heart, and then just kind of fill in the rest of the hair that I need to be done and that needs to be braided and that I need to kind of finish. So yeah, guys, after I do that, you guys are going to see me finish everything off. I always put mousse on afterwards. I put a little bit of edge control, a little bit of mousse, spray that got to be glue spray, and tie her hair up with those wrap strips and dry it. And then after that, I'm going to braid her ends down and then dip her ends in hot water. So yeah, guys, you guys are going to be able to see that. Just go ahead and vibe with this music and just watch me braid her hair. And yeah, guys, so her texture is 4C hair, and these products worked well for her texture. And just in case you guys are looking at products that will hold, products that really, really work, guys. And one thing I can suggest you guys, stop using that yellow shiner jam. I feel like it's super greasy and it doesn't get as defined parts as you would like it to be, okay? I always say, like, honestly, use edge control, use even edge control, or use that orange shiner jam. Probably just orange shiner jam you guys like, because it has that the orange shiner jam has more of a tighter hold, and it has more product in it. That's basically what I'm trying to say. It has more product in it, so you guys are probably really gonna like that. So go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe in this video. Love you guys so much. Talk to y'all in my next video tomorrow. Love y'all. Bye.
Brian Little.